In December 2017, we have installed 12 monitoring systems in 9 stations along the Atoyac River as a service project for IPN, financed by the Puebla government, in order to measure the trends of water quality and to investigate the origin of industrial pollution. It was convenient to use the analyzer houses that already existed from a former project, even if they are much too big for our purposes.
Bueno, como podemos ver aquí en un espacio muy grande, tenemos lo que son los equipos anteriores, que son de una mayor capacidad, tomando en cuenta solamente algunos parámetros de calidad del agua, que son en este caso solo 7. Y de este lado podemos observar todo el equipo de scan. Estamos midiendo 20 parámetros. Con el actual equipo no se requiere tanto mantenimiento, simplemente 2 visitas por mes, en comparación con el antiguo equipo que era diario.
This sensor here is an electrochemical sensor that measures nitrate, ammonia, potassium, chloride, so 4 important parameters, and even pH in one sensor. And actually it replaces 4 boxes like this, which is the old conventional way, a reagent-based miniaturized laboratory, and we could take all of those away and replace it by just one sensor.
The Atoyac is one of the most polluted rivers in the world, which poses many technical and logistic challenges for the monitoring system.
Hey Andreas, do you see the spectral alarm just jump?
Wow, this is a big peak, huh?
Yeah, it seems that in Zahualpan there's something going on now.
Did you check the parameters?
Let's check and see what we found.
Okay, yeah. So we have red color apparently in the spectrum.
Yeah?
And it seems like conductivity is
Conductivity is higher, yeah.
Seems to be quite an event.
Different to other less polluted rivers, it is almost impossible to establish a baseline of normal water quality during the dry season, because the river is in a constant toxic event situation. Our project includes a laboratory, which is important for continuous quality control of the online monitoring system. In this way, we can prove that all online sensor data are accurate and in correspondence to the standard methods.
We are here now at the station Atoyac Sur, and we can see that the river is bigger here.
The conventional technology is too complex and expensive for systematic water quality monitoring. From this pump, the sample stream must be transported to the settling tank, and from there to the analyzer building, which can take up to 1 hour. Even if being maintained 24/7, the data availability will be less than 50%. The sample will warm up and chemistry change during the long transport, and measured concentrations will not be accurate. Last but not least, the system might not be up during a toxic spill and evidence lost for identification of the cause.
And what we are actually doing now is to dig a hole and put the whole monitoring station under the ground, so it's well protected in a safe environment, and it's directly connected to the river, so we don't need that kind of bridge and all that complexity.
A clear indication for the heavy pollution of the river is the fact that we were not able to find any relevant oxygen concentration at any of the stations at any point in time so far. By any scientific convention, such is to be considered a dead river. Therefore, it is so important to find out where all the pollution comes from in order to take further action for the protection of the river and for re-establishment of an acceptable status.